Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today I will show you how to make a Telegram bot. So at first go to your Telegram app, go to the search button and write BotFather. As you can see, there is suggested BotFather which have a tick mark besides it. So click on that. Others are fake, so don't click on them. So now click on start button. Now you can see it's saying if you want to create a new bot or edit your bot. So I will click on new bot and it's saying to give or choose a name for my bot. So I'm giving a random number, a random name. And it's now saying to give a username. So give a username of your bot, and after giving it, just you must uh, give an underscore besides it and write bot. And see, um, your bot is created. Now click on the link it has sent you, and here your bot is created. Click on the start button and your bot has been started. So that's it for today, guys. If you want to get more videos like this, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more exciting videos like this. Thank you so much. Bye bye.